In email section we have the email, first name, last name, and the company name. So we want to extract the first name and the last name, so we can use flash fill function here. So type Nancy in first name, and in the last name it is Smith. Directly you can use shortcut is Control E. Okay, then here in the last name also is Control E, and another option is you can directly use go to data ribbon tab, then you can identify here one flash fill function tab. Just click on that. Yeah, so I hope you have liked my video. If you found this tutorial is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.